Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. This class is organized by Government Girls High School, Chattogram. I am Roxana Chaudhary, assistant teacher of this school. My dear learners, I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today, I am going to take a class from your English grammar and composition book. Now, my dear students, look at the slide. What can you see? Here is some picture, and first picture there is a bat, and the second picture there is an umbrella. The third picture the Himalayas. So I hope you can understand today's topic. Yes, it's articles. Today we are going to read or learn the uses of articles. Okay, now at first we'll know what is article. Now we'll know the grammar articles a and the d, and now we'll know what is article. An article is a word used before a noun that indicates whether or not the reference is to a specific entity or entities or an unspecific one. That means articles are going to be replaced before noun, and it is going to refer to the noun whether it is specific or unspecific. So, how many types of articles are there? As you know, there are two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. Now, the definite article is only one, which is the. On the other hand, the indefinite articles there are two indefinite articles, a and an. Now we will see what is indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are used to refer to a single and unspecified entity. A is used with nouns that start with a consonant sound, as in a mask, while an is used with words that start with a vowel sound, as in an egg. Okay, now my dear learners, we will know what is definite article. The definite article refers to a specific entity or entities. For example, the earth is round. Okay, here the earth is something that is unique of its kind. For this reason, we have used definite article the before it. Okay, then my dear students, uh, I will discuss the use of articles now. Number one, the use we use a or an to talk about something for the first time. Example: a bed, a bed cover, a rug, a rocking chair, a sofa, a mask. In the text above, when the speaker uses any singular countable noun, he or she uses either a or an before it. Number two, we also use a or an to refer to something unspecified. Example: not particular or specific. She bought some apples from a shop in the new market. In this sentence, the shop in the new market is not specific, as there are many shops in the new market. So, article has been used before it. Number 3, a is used before consonants and an is used before vowel. Number 4, a is used before when vowel u is pronounced as u, a university, not an university. Number 5, an is used before consonant if the first h of a word is silent. An hour, an honest man, etc. Okay, I hope you can understand the uses of articles. Now we learn more. We use the when we refer to something for the second time. For example, this is Asma Ahmed's bedroom. The room is very neatly made. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide. We use the when we refer to any person or object specifically. For example, there are few windows in the room. The windows are covered with large heavy curtains. Now we will learn more. We also use the to refer to something that has no alternative. For example, the sun is source of energy in the earth. We also use the before the names of rivers, oceans and seas, etc. For example, the Nile, the Pacific. So we have learned that there is so many uses of the article definite the. We also use the before the geographical areas also. For example, the Middle East, the West. We also use the before deserts, forests, gulfs and peninsulas. For example, the Sahara, the Amazon forest. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. I have you have understood the article, the uses of articles. So stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.